Hello, so this is my Google Doc about my theme, and so I'm going with the theme the Mengele twins, but I think I'm actually going to broaden it up and do the Holocaust, but I can do the Mengele twins inside of it. So this is just showing how I can create a Google Doc and how I can share it with others and how it all works. So to start out, Google Docs is more so just like a Word document, but it just saves every time you type something. So if I wanted to add another sentence on here that Eva is still currently living, it says up here that it's saving, and then that all changes were saved in the drive. So that means that every time I type something, it will always save it, no matter what. And I can delete it, and then it still will save. It still says saving up here, and then it saves what I just did. And so you can share this with anyone else, and you can have people edit with you. You guys can be working on the same thing at the same time. It's a really good It's a really good tool for collaboration. And so you can share it by just clicking the share button up here, and then you enter the names of people. So I want to do her, so I just click on that. And if I want to add more, like these are the two people I had edit my thing, and then I just press send, and then you can add a note, and it'll send it to them. So I got feedback from two different people. So Melissa actually edited this up here, and then she left me a note that told me like what I needed to fix and why she fixed it. And then she highlighted hers in red to show what like sentences she changed, what she thought went better. And then Piper actually put her comments down here in blue. And she didn't edit stuff. She really just put a comment that like I can help like build on my document, and she just helped me out by like telling me that I had a good idea of what I was doing. And so it really helps me out because I can go back and just edit it and do whatever I need to do, and I have notes from others, but like I can change what they made. It's just a really helpful tool. So yeah, thanks for watching.